In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create automation rules in Freshservice. We're going to build a simple rule that runs during ticket creation, so it will fire the moment a new ticket is submitted. The goal is straightforward. When a ticket's priority is marked as urgent, it should automatically be routed to the IT support group. This helps your team respond faster without manual triage. Start by going to the Ticket Creation Automation area. In most accounts, you'll find this under your admin or workflow settings, within automations or similar. Make sure you're in the Ticket Creation section, since this rule should run only when a ticket is first created. Once you're there, look for the plus icon to create a new rule. Clicking that opens a fresh rule configuration panel. Give your rule a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to recognize later. Type in Urgent IT Support. If there's a description field, you can add a short note like Auto-assign urgent tickets to IT support. Descriptions are optional, but they're handy for teams managing many rules. Next, set the condition that determines when this rule should run. Choose Priority as the field and set it to equals urgent. This means the rule will only trigger on newly created tickets that are explicitly flagged as urgent. Keeping the condition precise helps avoid unintentional assignments. Now define the action. Select Assign to Group and choose IT Support from your available groups. This tells Freshservice exactly where to route the ticket when the condition is met. If you have multiple IT groups, double-check that you've selected the one responsible for urgent handling. When everything looks good, click Submit to save the rule. Your automation is now active for new ticket creation events. From this point on, any new ticket marked as urgent will go straight to IT support automatically, which removes manual steps and reduces response time. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Keep your rule names consistent, especially when you build more automations later. Place urgency-based rules near the top of your list if your workspace uses rule order, and avoid overlapping conditions that could cause confusion. If your team uses different priority labels, make sure the term matches exactly what's configured in your Freshservice fields. To validate that it's working, you can later create a test ticket marked urgent and confirm it lands in the IT support queue immediately. That's all there is to it. With this automation in place, your urgent tickets are prioritized and routed without any extra clicks.